In this lesson, we'll dive into the world of arithmetic expressions and operators in JavaScript. We'll explore how these operators work and what they can do. Let's start by filling in the code together. Here, we've initialized two variables, x and y, which we'll use as operands for our arithmetic operations. Now, let's move on to the actual operators. We're starting with addition. When we use the plus operator, it adds the values of x and y. Let's print the result. Okay, we got 12 as a result. Let's output a series of hyphens to facilitate the distinction between the various results we'll obtain. Next is subtraction. The minus operator subtracts y from x. Let's see the result. For multiplication, we use the asterisk operator, which multiplies x by y. Let's print the result. We got 32 as expected. Division uses the / operator. It divides x by y. Let's execute. And we got 2. The percentage operator calculates the remainder when x is divided by y. Let's print the result. And we got 0 as there is no remainder left by the division operation. Exponentiation, represented by the double asterisk operator, raises x to the power of y. Let's see the output. We got 4096. Now, let's explore some assignment operators that change variable values. We use the assignment operator, the equal sign, and we want to increase the value of x by y, so we write x equals x plus y. Let's execute. And we got 12. From now on, x will have the value of 12. Thus, we've changed the value of x by adding y to it. The increment operator x++ returns its original value, then it increases x by 1. Let's execute. And we got 12 as it was the original value of x. Let's add another console log just to make sure that x is 13 after this expression. And as expected, after the increment operation, x holds 13. Similarly, ++x increments x before using its value in the expression. In the end, we confirm the new value of x. Decrement is similar to increment, but it decreases y by 1. Finally, we have assignment operators combined with arithmetic operators. This code demonstrates the assignment operator x plus equals 10, which is equivalent to x equals x plus 10. We can use x minus equals 10 to subtract 10 from x. For multiplication, x times equals 10 multiplies x by 10. And x slash equals 10 divides x by 10. Lastly, x modulus equals 10 calculates the remainder when x is divided by 10. With these operators, you can perform various calculations and modify variables in your JavaScript code. Understanding how to use these tools will be valuable as you write more complex code.